How often should you clean your ears? We tend to take ear hygiene for granted until there's a problem, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. Since our ears are designed to self-clean, failing to clean them actually protects us from the dangers of overcleaning, most of the time. Basic hygiene is still important. This means keeping dirt, dust, and water out of our ears and removing excess wax that has pushed to the surface. So what determines how often you should clean your ears? Is there a set recommendation, or does it differ for everyone? Here are some answers. Scenario 1, you produce a normal amount of earwax. How do you know what's normal? Well, if you haven't had any problems with your ears, you probably produce just the right amount of earwax. In this case, the most you'll need to do is wipe gently around the outside areas of your ears after a shower. Let your ear's self-cleaning mechanism do the rest. Scenario 2, you occasionally produce too much earwax. Sometimes our ears produce more earwax than usual. A few things that encourage this are irritated skin, environmental pollutants, and wearing earbuds or headphones a lot. Sometimes it might not be obvious why you're producing more earwax. Scenario 3, you consistently produce excessive earwax. Consistent overproduction of earwax is usually linked to genetics. If you find yourself constantly cleaning but still experiencing serious plugs, infections, and other side effects, you may want to schedule regular cleanings with a hearing healthcare professional. They will also recommend the most effective cleaning methods you can use to reduce your buildup between visits.